Face swap in ComfyUI. ReActor takes a face from one photo and blends it into another. It's free, it's local, and your photos never leave your machine. Let's go.
ReActor works in 3 steps. First, detect. It finds every face in both photos. Then swap. It blends the source face into the target, keeping pose and lighting. Finally, restore. CodeFormer sharpens the result. All on your own GPU.
Here's what you need. An NVIDIA GPU with 4 to 6 gigabytes of VRAM is enough, and 8 to 12 is comfortable. No GPU? CPU mode still works, and about 1.2 gigabytes of model files. The swap model, the detection pack, and 1 restore model. Install with ComfyUI Manager. Click Manager, open Install Custom Nodes, and search for ReActor. Click Install, then restart the server, not just the browser. 3 clicks, and it's done.
Prefer the terminal, clone the repo into custom nodes, and run install.bat. If the clone fails with a fetch pack error, add depth equals 1. Always let install.bat use the bundled Python. In 2026, you can pick between 2 cores. Version 0.6 stable uses Insight Face, the classic path. Version 0.7 Alpha removes Insight Face and C++ build tools entirely. This video follows the stable path, and the Alpha is the easy install option.
Models live in 3 folders. In Swapper 128, the swap model goes into Insight Face. Buffalo L, the detection pack, downloads on first launch. And 1 restore model, CodeFormer, goes into Face Restore models. About 1.2 gigabytes total.
Restart ComfyUI and watch the console. When you see the line to see the GUI go to 127.0.0.1, the server is up. No import errors means ReActor is ready.
Now, build the workflow. Load the source face, load the target photo, and drop in the face swap node. Wire source to source image, target to input image, and the output to save image. Press Ctrl Enter to run.
This node has 15 settings, but the defaults are right. Keep Retina Face for detection, add CodeFormer for restoration, and leave Detect Gender on No. Face Index 0 is the first face. That's the whole recipe.
Click Q prompt. The progress bar fills in seconds, even on a CPU. The result keeps the target's pose and lighting with the new face blended in. Swap done.
Go further. Swap several faces at once with index 0,1. Save a face model once and reuse it on any photo. Or use the restore model to sharpen a blurry face.
Quick error clinic. No Insight Face? Install the pre-built wheel for your Python. Slow swap? Make sure only ONNX runtime GPU is installed, not the CPU version. Weird keyword error? Remove the node and add it again. Every fix is in the description.
How does ReActor compare? FioX.2 Klein 9B looks premium, but needs 24 gigabytes in a non-commercial license. Zen-ID is high quality but slow and heavy. ReActor wins on speed and low VRAM, which is why it's the default.
So install, add models, wire 2 photos, swap, restore, use faces you own or have permission for, and label realistic results on YouTube. Free, local, 1 node. Like, subscribe, and keep creating.